Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want Google Translate apps install your mobile phone, then see step by step my video. First, click Google Play Store. Showing this interface your mobile phone, which time Google Play Store open and search apps option, click and type Google Translator apps. Already upload Google Translate apps. This my handset or mobile phone. Your mobile phone not install these apps, then install and install complete. Update option showing and click update option. Needed your Google Translate needed this update, not needed update, then cancel this option and back this page and click Google Translate apps. Already showing this page your handset. Open Google Translate apps and types your word my name is Jillur. My name Aman and country selected. Type word English. Your needed country. Selected this option. Then needed Spanish. Clicks Spanish option and showing Spanish option translate. English to Spanish option translate. This video is clear how to install Google Translate apps and how to translate English to Spanish wording. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.